I finally got this Logitech C930 webcam. We've been running live streams off of a crazy Droid Cam phone setup, and finally we have a professional solution. So let's jump into the unboxing for this Logitech webcam. Comes with requisite manual, and there's the little camera inside. We got our little helper in the studio today, Ryan. And looks pretty simple, looks pretty professional. A lot of extra box stuff you don't need. I guess that's a cap for that. We'll find out what that is. But this is the camera. Yeah. So there it is, and I believe that you can just mount it to a tripod right there. I think you can even clip it on. I don't think I'm going to use that functionality, but I think you can actually clip this thing on. But let me take this plastic off and see what happens. My wife is Asian. She never takes the plastic off of anything.
And you have to take your shoes off before you come to our house.
There we go. So I guess that's a clip you can, I don't know exactly how you can clip that onto your computer and then move that around somehow. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it simple and just mount that on a tripod and use that for live streams. And then it just has a USB on the other side. That should just be plug and play. Let's see what this thing is that came with it. I think that's just a cap. Yeah, that's just so that the CIA doesn't spy on you. Okay.
Or Facebook.
Or Facebook or whoever. So now we're gonna show you some demo footage of this, and we're gonna compare it to this. This is a Canon M50 that you're seeing, and then we're gonna compare it also to just the standard webcam that comes stock inside of an Apple MacBook Air, and show you the difference. And now obviously the audio is horrible on this, but I didn't change anything about the setup in the studio with this lighting and everything. It's the same. This is the MacBook Air webcam, and let's put my little CIA tape cover back. This is the Logitech C930C webcam. I'm just holding it. This is a full HD 1080p webcam, so you can get full HD on this camera, and I think it looks pretty darn good for the price. I think I paid $115 for a new one, and you know, you be the judge. You know, you saw the Canon M50, you saw the inbuilt MacBook webcam, and now you're seeing this external you plug and play. One thing I did note, it was a little tricky to set it up with Mac. When I first plugged it in right out of the box, the USB didn't immediately pick it up. So I just did a full system reboot, restarted the Mac, and immediately picked it up. And there's a bunch of Chinese characters on the name of the actual, when you're looking for your device, it's a bunch of Chinese stuff. So, but you'll see Logitech, Chinese. So, this has been a review. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe to the channel. Please give me comments of what you think of the difference between the different cameras. What did you think was the best? And smash that like button. See you next time. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for all the latest gear reviews, microphones, cameras, instruments, music stuff. I do it all.